In this lesson, we will look at substitution. To evaluate or simplify an expression, simply plug in the given value of the variable and then use the order of operations. In this examples that we are using here, A equals 3, B equals 5, C equals 2, and D equals 10. Anywhere we see those letters, we are going to substitute or switch the letter for the number given. Number 1, A plus B plus C. We'll switch the A for 3, the B for 5, and the C for 2. This gives us the number sentence 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. Add them together following order of operations and you get 10. Number 2, 20 minus D plus A. The 20 stays the same. You're going to be subtracting 10 and adding 3. Following order of operations, we start at the left. 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Number 3, 6b minus 4. We will switch out the b for 5. Remember, when the number is directly beside the variable, it means you're multiplying those two pieces together. So we would have 6 times 5 minus 4. Remember, the number directly beside a parenthesis means that there is an invisible multiplication sign there. Following order of operations, multiplication is first. 6 times 5 is 30. Minus 4 should be 26. Number 4, 15 plus 2a. The 15 stays the same, plus 2 times 3. According to order of operations, the multiplication comes first. 2 times 3 is 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. Number 5 is D divided by C. Since D is 10 and C is 2, that gives us 10 divided by 2 for 5. Number 6, 4c minus 7. We will substitute the c for the number 2, and that will give us 4 times 2 minus 7. Order of operations says 4 times 2 comes first, which is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 times a plus b. We're going to switch the a for the number 3, the b for the number 5. Do what's in the parentheses first. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then we are going to multiply that by 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Number 8, b plus d divided by a. The b is 5, the d is 10, and a is 3. So that gives us 5 plus 10 divided by 3. Parentheses comes first. 5 plus 10 is 15. Then do our division. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Number 9, c times d minus 8. The c is 2, the d is 10, so that gives us 2 times 10 minus 8. Multiplication comes first. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 8 is 12. And our last one, number 10, 4 times b divided by d. Switch the b for 5, the d for 10. Multiplication comes first because it is on the left. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided by 10 is 2.